I missed you. Did you miss me? I'm happy to be here at the Blue Studio. Now, today we're going to bring you the latest and greatest phone that you didn't know you needed from Blue. We're talking the 6.3 HD-inch Infinity display with 64 gigs of internal memory and 4 gigs of RAM. That's probably going to be at an insanely low price that you've never seen before. So, alright Blue, let's see what's inside this package deal with all the great features, and if it's not that convincing, I'll let you know, but it looks like it's gonna be. Hopping directly into first impressions. Check out this clean box. Gorgeous, pretty, glistening. You want it, don't you? I know you do. Look at it. Look at me. Then look at it. Then look at me again. Now, boys and girls, if your mother taught you anything, she taught you that it's the inside that counts, not the outside. So we're going to take a look at what Blue has for us. Here we have the G9, very beautiful, sleek design, very reflective screen. In the back, we've got this gradient blue, very pretty. Put that down there. Ooh, okay. Type-C cable, important. This is a quick charging brick, once again important. We've got the headphones, that is a staple. We've got a Blue sticker, Blue swag, right? And then we have, very important, this is the SIM key for extra storage. Very necessary. These books, for those of you that like your literature, dive into those. These packs, important. It says do not eat, don't listen. Blue also cares for you to keep your phone beautiful. Therefore, they involve a tempered glass screen cover. And they include a case. Thank you, Blue. Thank you for being our mommy. Right away, you can see the vibrant 6.3-inch HD Plus Infinity display with an 89% screen-to-body ratio, with over 470 nits of brightness. So the phone screen's bright, but how bright? I thought that I would test it with the Battle of Winterfell. Season 8, Episode 3 of Game of Thrones, right at my fingertips. I think this phone is pretty amazing, especially with this like new gradient look. Blue calls it Twilight Blue. Also, in just as nice and very, very elegant, we have a black blue for you. Check it out. So this one has a glossy finish, smooth, polished, and shined to perfection, just like the blue one right over here. The middle housing got a good dose of premium finish with this mirror-like metal effect. Overall, the G9 looks sick, no doubt about it. Now let's dive right into this beautiful sea of blue and see what's swimming inside. The G9 is bringing the power with the MediaTek P22 chipset using the 64-bit 2 GHz octa-core processor built with 12 nanometer technology. This is likely all you need for features in high demand. And it also includes AI technology for advanced dual camera photography. This means it's lightning fast and it's able to handle anything you throw at it while still delivering incredible energy efficiency. Speaking of energy, if you want longer battery life, the G9 has a built-in monster 4,000 milliamp battery. It is the thinnest phone for a battery size like that. Not to mention that you can rely on your Helio, your little friend here. That is your 5-volt, 2-amp quick charger. It gets you charged up in no time, so you don't have to be standing next to the wall outlet every day like a loser. The G9 has a dual camera setup in the back with a main 13 megapixel sensor. It also has a second depth of field sensor camera for professional grade portrait mode shots, which are all powered by AI technology with imaging and video. With the AI processing technology, the G9's super zoom camera processes photos up to 4 times higher, up to a whopping 52 megapixels actually. With several other features, including night mode and beauty mode, this means that you're getting multiple beautification in-device features. It leaves you wanting to take more and more pictures, and your IG needs it, I promise you. On the very front, if you could even see it, there's this tiny V-notch at the end top for your selfie camera. The G9 is coming with a 13 megapixel front camera for all of you selfie lovers. It has portrait mode with several other AI add-ons. Now security, this is a pressing issue. It's something that's on everyone's minds nowadays. The G9 has a quick and easy access encrypted fingerprint reader to make sure that all of your pictures, your messages, your, unsavory documents are safe and sound. You can also use the Face ID. By simply looking at your phone, you could just, unlock it. Make sure that you grab yours while supplies lasts. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, that subscribe button right down there. Blue's YouTube channel has all the best news and all the latest news on what Blue has for you. Remember, be bold.